Hi and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2018.5 MPG. This is the 2120RB model. We'll take a few minutes and walk you through the outside and inside of this coach. One of the first differences you're going to notice on the new 18.5 version is the outside color. It has a grayish tint to the fiberglass cap and a lot of the striping on the side, where the earlier 18 version was a lighter tan kind of color. So outside graphic change. You have a nice fiberglass cap on the front here. Has the 3 LED lights built in. Nice MPG logo up there. It has the power tongue jack with the built-in LED light and manual override. Basically have a light switch here and an up and down button here. That is 12 volt. Has a 2 5/16 hitch ball coupler. You have the safety change breakaway cable, 2 20-pound propane tanks with the hard ABS cover here. The unit comes standard with Couch's RV Nation with 1 battery. It's a deep cycle interstate battery that they use. You can option up to a second battery if you wanted. You have diamond plate on the lower section here. This unit is sold and getting ready to go through service. This customer actually ordered the Equalizer hitching system, and these are the brackets that actually mount onto the frame for the hitch system. So that's what those brackets actually are on there. Looking down the side here, you have a large storage compartment area. This is the big hitch headpiece and the bars in the box here, the lift bar for it, and the speed wrench for the jacks. Got a nice LED light strip which has a light switch right here to turn it off and on, but a nice large pass-through storage compartment area here. The storage doors have the nicer slam lock baggage doors, and they have the magnetic holders. This one was ordered with the manual heavy-duty scissor jacks. You can option to power jacks if you want, but truthfully the manual ones are stronger. Just use a socket and a battery gun, zip them down real quick. They actually hold more weight and more stability. Underneath you can see the enclosed bottom, so you have an enclosed underbelly here. Forced air heat that blows down into that area and helps keep it warm in the fall. You have deep tint safety glass windows. This is one thing that is really nice. A lot of people don't realize, but that actually helps with the UV rays and helps keep your camper looking nicer longer inside when it sits outside a lot. Few brands out there just use clear glass, and it does make them look brighter sitting on a dealer's lot, but in all reality, over the life of the coach, it's actually worse, because if you don't keep your blinds and stuff down, it will fade out your linoleum or your furniture and things like that a lot faster if you're not careful. You have a power awning. This power awning has the LED light strip built in, and also has the manual override, which in this top arm here you remove the rubber plug, put a socket and ratchet in there, and you can crank it in and out manually. Has a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. This has the removable door here. Your electric button is right down here. Drain plug for it. Your heating element, reset breakers, and your pressure relief valve. Now the gas part actually turns on inside by flipping a switch. Got really nice upgraded aluminum wheels here. They even put the Cruiser logo on the center caps there, but those center caps will pop off and you can grease your hubs. The furnace exhaust there. You have 2 outdoor speakers, and you have your stove exhaust here. You also have a porch light here. If you don't want to turn on the LED light, you flip the switch the opposite direction and it will turn on that porch light instead. Nice wide entry door here with the radius top. Has the screen door, has the window in the door also. Triple entrance step going up into the coach. Large folding entry handle. Here you can see their little advertisement for the enclosed underbelly extended season RV. Model number. You have the standard 4-inch square tube bumper on the back. Great place to store your dump hose, spare tire and mount here. You can see a really nice large arch to the roof. So it's got great water shed off. So that's a real nice upgrade there compared to some of the more flatter roofs. There's also a pre-wire for the Furrion backup camera up there. Down in the corner here is your dump area for your gray and black tanks. You can see the handles kind of coming through the underbelly there, all spray foamed up to try and help keep them better insulated. On the back corner here you have your power cord plug-in, detachable, roughly 25-foot power cord. You have your satellite and cable hookups, black tank flush, city water and freshwater fill-ups, and you have an outside spray port here that opens up. On the side of the slide here you have your refrigerator access panels for maintenance and venting. On the front corner here you have your VIN sticker and model number, production date. This camper, for example, was built 1/22 of 18. Tells you your gross vehicle weight 7580. It's the most you can load it to before you damage things. Tire sizes 205 75R 15D rated tires, 65 psi. So a great little information section here. On the door frame, when we get around there, you will see the unloaded vehicle weight sticker. Be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation. They're one of the largest wholesale RV dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. My name's Ray. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. 888-417-8299. My extension's 203. Going up into the coach here, we have our other sticker. Again, has the VIN number on it. Has our dry weight, 4,960 pounds. Looking up into the camper here, we have a nice pantry area across the back section here. Your electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. You have some storage. That little blue hose there is for the outside spray port. Nice Euro hinges on the cabinet doors. But quite a bit of storage back here. The bathroom is right here in the rear of the coach. You have your foot flush toilet. There's a heat duct coming out of the wall there. Fan up top. Skylight above the shower. Medicine cabinet. Got an electric outlet on the side. Light switch here for the bathroom lights. Nice glassed-in shower. Beside the bathroom door here is your thermostat for your furnace and air conditioner. Looking toward the front of the coach, you've got your master bedroom up there. Slide out has the refrigerator, which is a gas electric Dometic refrigerator, and your sofa. The sofa will fold down, make into a bed. Has a built-in little cup holder here, along with a lighted area and a USB charger in each cup holder. Nice kitchen area. Down here is your main control area. So you've got your battery condition, fresh water, black water, gray water information here. Slide out in and out, awning in and out, battery disconnect, light switch for the front lights on the cap, water heater on gas and electric. I'm sorry, water heater on gas, water pump, porch light switch to go back and forth between the two lights out there, and an interior light switch. So a nice little area here. Furnace duct down here. Full extending ball bearing drawer guides. Got your ground fault electric breaker there above the drawer. This has the new Furrion oven. This actually has a little push button on it. It's got light up knobs and also has a light down here inside the oven now. Nicer door. Has the flip-up glass cover. Their glass cover actually has a little hinge to it, so it'll hold itself up. The High Point stainless microwave and also the range hood has the fan and light both built in there. Got some overhead cabinetry. Nice big storage area down there. Has this sink cover, large stainless sink, single bowl, high-rise faucet, couple electric outlets on the wall there, USB charging station here. This has the DVD stereo system, has Bluetooth capability. This is another Furrion product, Furrion radio system here. It's the DV3100. Then you have a Furrion optional TV here. This is their 39-inch TV option. And your controls for the booster are up here and your hookups. There's a furnace duct down there coming out of the wall. MPG is one of the few brands that does a camper king in a camper. A lot of them are just queens when it comes to a travel trailer. You have to go up to a fifth wheel a lot of times to get a king bed. But MPG does do the king bed. You have a nice vent here with another fan. There's a little laundry chute here if you want to throw your clothes down into a hamper down there. Electric outlet and a light underneath of there. You have a hanging closet here. On the window, you've got the pull-down nightshades here. On the inside here, you can see the nice ducted air conditioning system. Very large arch to the roof here, so it is taller inside. That's what also helps give it the better water runoff. On the back wall back there is your propane leak detector. A lot of vinyl floor throughout the camper here. Again, be sure to check out Couch's RV Nation. We are one of the largest wholesale RV dealers in the country. My name's Ray. Give me a call, 888-417-8299, extension 203. Thanks for checking out our video.